Hi guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the Porsche Design RS. So I'll be unlocking this phone, rather unboxing this phone, and I'll show you what it's like in comparison to the Mate 10. This is the, not the Mate 10, this is the Mate 9, and of course the Mate 10, and what the new RS looks like. So I'll keep these aside for now, and let's do this. Rip off this nylon, keep that aside, and similar packaging to the older one, very similar. You just have here the difference. It says Mate RS Triple Camera. I'll show you what the older case looks like. Similar casing as well, but this time it says Dual Camera Mate 10. Keep that aside, then boom, there we go. This is the beauty. You see, it's very similar to the older version, to the Mate 10. That's it, Mate 10. So what I'll do is I'll remove it from here. I'm just having it backing up at the moment, so I'll have to leave the cable in there. But that's what it looks like. Similar. You see that, you notice this isn't there anymore, and the phone just feels a little smaller actually. Quite interesting. So anyway, let's keep that there. And then of course, if you want to see what the older one looks like, this is the Mate 9. It's got the whole metal back, you know, as opposed to the glass back and the front. So yeah, pretty interesting. Yeah? See, it's a lot smaller. This is the Mate 10. Put them all side by side so you see them. Just turn off the screen. Okay, this is how they transition. This is the Mate 9, Mate 10, and the RS. I love the way the Porsche design here really sort of is in your face actually. I'll put that, okay, of course I'll show you the cases as well. Very similar, you know, just the same old flip screen. But I know for the RS it's slightly darker. So I'll keep this in here. Put that in there. Okay, so we put the phone aside. Now we've seen what that looks like. You get the warranty card, which I tend to leave there. I don't really use this, but yeah, this is the warranty card. Put this aside. You get the chargers. Okay, that actually was upside down. You get the chargers. You get two USB Type-C adapters, well, USB cables, the European charger and the UK charger. You get the earphones. Now, for some reason, this looks slightly different. Let me compare it to the older version, if I can find it. Okay, it's similar actually. I don't know if you can see the difference, not much. It looks darker though. This looks darker. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, you get the earphones, and of course you get the case, which is immaculate. Porsche design. We'll just compare it to the well, this is comparing it to the Mate 9. You see, it's got a sort of like Louis Vuitton style leather. So here, Louis Vuitton. This is the newer one. You have the Porsche design printed at the bottom, and at the back you have the Huawei. But you notice it's a slightly longer lens room, and then the flash as well. Oh, like it's not apart; it's actually on there somewhere. Pretty cool stuff, actually. So I'll take this out. And what else do we have? Keep this here. We get the pin, and you get instruction manuals. Just open this. But there's also something. Oh yeah, and then you get the cable, so the USB Type-C cable to earphone jack. Oh, fantastic. So I'll keep all this here. really, it's Porsche Design. I just like them, you know. I think they're one of the best brands out there, especially mobile phone wise. You know, it's definitely kick-ass. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. I will be powering this on shortly. Put this to fit in here, show you what it looks like. You know, that's how slick it looks. Beautiful phone. Really, really lovely phone. This is it against its younger brother, and then this is it, the elder brother rather. So that's the three of them side by side there. Lovely. So let me know what your thoughts are, if you've got any questions, comments, and I'll do what I can to get back to you. Goodbye.